Hello to my dear friends. So, you know whom I am Agastya. So, back with one more part, not a video. So, basically, guys, the thing is that another important function that a constitution plays is, you know, place in a democracy is to ensure that a dominant group does not use its power against other less powerful group. Means, the reason constitutions guides that is that if you remember Ambedkarji's story, like at grade 8 7th we've learned in understanding equality, I reckon. So what exactly it is that law, like before the independence, what happened is Ambedkarji was of a Dalit and high class, high class people, they their children, or you say that, okay, high class people children, yeah, those, what they did, they dominated the low powerful people, means low class people, nothing but Dalits, your special, scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. So Ambedkarji faced a lot of dominance, a lot of tyranny from the majority group. So what Ambedkarji thought of is, why can't we include this in the constitution? Why can't everyone be given equal opportunities? So yes, Ambedkarji, included this, so many articles on the equality, and not so many, like articles on the equality, on, yeah, in our constitution. So next thing is that, guys, every society is prone to tyranny of the, majority, means, something domination kind of thing. Okay, something domination kind of thing. Obviously every time majority people dominate, minority people, we know that. But few dominations happen within the same societies, like within the same communities, like boys and girls, like boys can play cricket and girls cannot play cricket, as they obviously will lose against boys. So that is a really bad distinction, because you can't make such discriminations among people. So constitution prevents, okay, precisely to prevent this tyranny and domination by the majority of a minority. A very simple thing, guys. And this domination within the same society is called as inter-community domination or intra-community domination, or members of one community dominating other community within the same community. Like, why is it called as intra means, if you remember, guys, like you have inter-school, inter-house competitions or intra-house competitions, means the competitions happen within your school. Similarly, this domination happened within the same community. Okay, so yeah. And the third significant reason why we need a constitution is to save us from ourselves. Yeah, it might be strange for you guys, because it is, we make some decisions. Okay, we make few decisions that may have an adverse effect on the larger principles that the country believes in. It might be in future. So constitution provides us few goods and, goods and paths, what to follow, how to make certain decisions, and what is wrong, so that there would be no adverse effect on larger principles that the country believes in. I hope you've understood, guys. Like, there's an example over here. There was a girl, I think Shabnam, yeah, Shabnam. So she was in a fix. She wanted to make she had to make any one decision. Two, she had two things. She had to revise for two chapters for tomorrow's test. Otherwise, it was her, favorite TV show over there on the TV. So she wanted to see that. But yeah, it tempts her when, other people, especially like when your parents or your brothers see television and you have an exam, it tempts you. I want to do, I too want to see a film. Like, I too want to see a particular, like my favorite show, simple. But don't make such kind of decisions. You don't know what happens in the future. It's, when in exam time you struggle. You just think about the present, but think about the future. In exam times, she feels that, oh, come on, we got a lot of questions from two chapters. I'm happy now. Wow. So yeah, that's the way, like, you make decisions, you have to make decisions. So constitution tells us those goods and bads, and also protects us from certain decisions. I hope you've understood, guys. Now, it does not allow for the easy overthrow of provisions and that guarantee rights of citizens and protect freedoms. You'll protect their freedoms. You'll learn this now. It's a very interesting topic in the third part. And constitution plays a very important role in democratic societies. Yeah, this is 100%. It's not 100%, infinite percent true. It's true because you know in democratic societies we need a constitution for many things. You've seen, you can, it might be any for making any certain decisions, or it might be like for making any, like, yeah, domination, to prevent this dominations or tyranny. We have different things that we have to understand. So constitution provides us with that, and it also plays an important role in democratic societies. So guys, nothing to rush now. And now I'm going to explain you guys about key features of Indian Constitution, not now, but in the next video. Please stay tuned to my videos. I hope you understood the video. Thank you, and signing off, Agastya.